Rebecca's queen size sleeper bed designed for a casual and comfortable lifestyle and a stretchy old living space. This versatile piece features deep pillow backs, padded arms, and oak wood trim from Brookline. And this showcase can be yours if the price is right.
Cherie, you may bid or pass. What will it be?
I think I'll pass.
You will pass, will you? Rebecca, she is passing. What are you bidding?
I'll say 5,500.
How much?
$5,500.
$5,500 is her bid on that showcase. Cherie, this showcase is for you.
Your showcase features prizes revealed as we explore the world of sound effects. And we'll start with the most interesting sound effect from the collection of our sound technician, Holly. And she picked up that sound by recording the action on this new train set. The LGB model is larger than the average models, comes complete with track, transformer, locomotive, 2 passenger cars, and 4 figures. Sound effect you're listening to now is recorded just last weekend when Holly stopped by her friend's house who was cooking hamburgers on a new barbecue. Charbroil mid-size and portable gas barbecue grills for outdoor cooking. Constructed of weather-resistant aluminum and steel. Enjoy cookouts in your backyard or travels from Charbroil. Can you folks guess where this delightful sound comes from? Our technician picked it up while enjoying a new hot tub. For helpful relaxation, the spa from Muskin, a division of U.S. Leisure. Muskin's Redwood Spa's vinyl line for comfort and easy maintenance. It comes complete with filter, heater, ladder, rim deck, and redwood cover. Now for the mystery sound effect. This unique sound was provided by our specialist in the world of sound effects when she was lucky enough to handle the keys to this new Corvette. The new Corvette, all new wind tunnel design, fiberglass body, 350 crossbar V8 engine, automatic transmission, air conditioning, AM/FM stereo, power windows and hatch, and all the other standard equipment, plus California emissions. And this showcase, featuring prizes revealed as we explore the world of sound effects, can be yours if the price is right.
Cherie, it sounds as if the audience would like to help you make up your mind on this bid. Are you ready to give me a bid?
$25,500.
$25,500. Your bid is $25,500 on your showcase, and the actual retail price is $27,595. A difference of $2,095. That's a very good bid with that much involved there. $2,095. You must be close to Rebecca without going over to win your showcase. Your bid is $5,500. Rebecca, the actual retail price of your showcase is $6,349. You win with a difference of only